Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your taxable account transactions with Fidelity step by step clearly. Log in to your Fidelity account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Positions to view your taxable account holdings. Locate the taxable account you wish to back up. Click on the account name to access the detailed transaction history. Once on the Account Overview page, find the Transactions tab. Select the time frame for transactions you want to back up. You can usually choose from options like last 30 days, last year, or specify custom dates. After selecting the time frame, click on the Apply button to filter the transactions. Review the displayed transactions to ensure they include what you need. Look for an option to download or export transactions, often found above the transaction list. Choose the preferred file format, usually CSV or Excel. Click the Download button to save the transaction history to your device. Open the downloaded file to verify that all necessary information is present. If you need to back up your transactions on a regular basis, consider setting a schedule. Regularly check for updates on your transactions to maintain an accurate backup. Store your backup file in a secure location, both on your device and in cloud storage if possible. This ensures your information is protected and easily accessible whenever needed. Confirm that you can access the backup file after saving it. Keep your backup organized and labeled for easy retrieval in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.